So here's Talkroom app, make money chatting. So here's the app. You can just some people can request money for them to message them, and you can also set up the price. So people need to pay some money before they can message you. Pretty cool. You can see view earnings, you can top up payout USDT. You can see timeline. You can see chats. There is also premium. You can set a chat fee on your profile that users must pay before messaging you. URL super verification check mark. So this is what you can see. One-time fee of just $10. So that's how you get it. And then you can have timeline, and then you have search. So, and that's how you can see different apps. So yeah, this is kind of trending. I don't know how legit is this app. And that's where you have it. So these are premium features, this is premium features, and that's basically the idea. There are no referral codes and white codes, otherwise I would leave them. So that's what it is.